Doing a little inspection on this 2022 Porsche Taycan. It's all electric, all-wheel drive, 456 bhp or something like that. How you check the cabin air filter or change the cabin air filter on these things is there's a panel underneath that has a couple plastic tabs in this corner and that corner. To get up underneath this dash on this Taycan, there's a plastic tab in one corner right here. And there's a plastic tab in another corner over here. You pop those little tabs down and then this whole piece, this lower piece, moves out of your way. Then there's this insulation stuff here. I pulled it back and tucked it up. And then right there, pull these two tabs and this whole piece slides out of here. You might have like a Phillips or a T20 or something in here holding this in, but this vehicle didn't have that. And you just push these in and you start to pull down. And then that's how you pull the cover off to get to your cabin air filter. This one's not dirty. It's been changed, so I'm going to leave it alone. And then when you go to put everything back together, there's a little hook over here. This slides up and over. Let's see if I can... There it is. And then there's one more over here on this side. Well, actually it just kind of sits there like that. And then this lower cover, the back will go up first. Like so. And then the front, start to line those plastic tabs up. Snap that tab in. And over here, line this tab up. Nope. Hit it too early. These can be frustrating sometimes. There we go. And there it is. Your holes are all open. Make sure you tuck that wire back behind that air tube. Everything's sitting exactly the way it's supposed to. And that's how you do your cabin air filter on a Porsche Taycan. I hope this helps. I appreciate y'all. Have a blessed day.